Here at Haug, Farrar, and Franco, we often handle wrongful death cases. Wrongful death cases, as the name would suggest, are among the most tragic of all cases that we're asked to deal with, and they're often some of the most complicated. Wrongful death claims happen when somebody else is killed because of another person or a company's negligence or misconduct. Although there may be criminal prosecution related to the fatality, a wrongful death lawsuit is a civil action that's separate and distinct from any criminal charges, and it does not require any criminal conduct or charges be brought. And the standard of proof is lower in a civil case than it is in a criminal case. There are many different circumstances that can give rise to a wrongful death lawsuit, such as medical malpractice, motor vehicle accidents, toxic torts, manufacturing defects, and criminal activity. Usually a wrongful death lawsuit must be filed by a representative on behalf of the eligible survivors who suffered harm from the decedent's death. These survivors are called real parties in interest, and eligibility of family members differs from state to state. Generally, the representative of the real parties in interest who is bringing the suit must prove that that death was caused by someone else's negligence or intentionally wrongful conduct. When this case is proven, the damages can be extensive and significant. You can recover both economic and non-economic damages, including medical, funeral expenses, out-of-pocket expenses, lost household or other services, loss of support and income, and loss of prospective inheritance. Also, non-economic damages such as pain and suffering may be recovered. A decedent's survivors may also maintain a survival action in which a decedent does not die immediately from an accident and brings a personal injury lawsuit as well. This claim allows the decedent's estate to recover for the decedent's conscious pain and suffering before dying. In these cases, among other things, a jury can look into the degree to which the decedent was conscious, the severity of his or her pain, and his or her awareness of an impending death. Here at our firm, we recently handled a complicated wrongful death claim arising out of a medical procedure where the physicians and the staff failed to follow the appropriate standard of care, and it resulted in the death of a young mother. The hospital and physician fought the claim, but ultimately, through the use of expert testimony and documentation, including extensive medical records, were able to prove the case and reach a favorable settlement for the surviving family members. The money, of course, could never replace the family's loss, but in our system, that is the available remedy, and we made sure they recovered all the compensation they could. If you have a loved one that has died as a result of the wrongful conduct of some third party, please contact our firm so that we can guide you through available options.